Some SUVs promise reliability only to leave you stranded before you even hit 50,000 miles, while others will run flawlessly for decades. In a world where vehicles are becoming more high-tech, finding one that won't leave you stranded is more important than ever. Today, we're shifting gears and revealing the top 5 most reliable SUVs of 2025, whether you're an off-road adventurer, a city commuter, or a family driver. These SUVs have proven they can outlast the competition. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy car content like this. Also, comment below on which you believe is the most reliable SUV of 2025. Let's go! Number 1. 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser. For many decades, the Toyota Land Cruiser has established its reputation for durability, and in 2025, it will remain a verified leader in reliability. Toyota designed this SUV through their TNGA-F platform to handle rough environments in addition to urban driving conditions. The vehicle uses a reliable 3.5-litre twin-turbo V6 hybrid system, which gives both heavy-duty performance and fuel-efficient operation. The powertrain system benefits off-road torque while maintaining high road comfort and effective towing capabilities. What makes it so reliable? The Land Cruiser demonstrates exceptional reliability because Toyota combines exact engineering with superior manufacturing standards and an established off-road capability. The SUV has earned a leading position in the resale value marketplace, and owners consistently report few significant mechanical problems. The new Land Cruiser represents more than automobile transportation because it is a worthwhile financial asset, which delivers both solid reliability and impressive resale worth as time passes. The ladder frame construction with a better suspension makes the vehicle able to handle challenging terrains without compromising comfort. The 2025 model features full-time 4-wheel drive together with an adaptive suspension and advanced multi-terrain select technologies that transform it into a premium off-road performer. Toyota enhanced its Safety Sense system by implementing the automatic braking system, as well as lane maintaining assistance and adaptive speed control for smooth driving. Modern-day Land Cruiser stands as one of the most durable SUVs because of its reinforced chassis construction and its wide application of high-strength materials. The interior of the Toyota features high-class materials and technology elements, including luxurious leather upholstery, huge touchscreens, and automatic driving systems. The vehicle offers modular seating arrangements that give passengers adaptable cargo space, which suits both recreational family commutes and full-fledged off-road journeys. This SUV has an estimated operational life of more than 400,000 miles when owners perform regular maintenance, which makes it one of the most durable SUVs available on the market. What about people who need an alternative from the off-road king and who want an efficient city cruiser? That is where the next SUV comes in. Number 2. 2025 Honda CR-V. Drivers seeking an SUV which flawlessly merges efficiency with reliability and comfort should choose the Honda CR-V because it stands as a trustworthy choice. Honda has enhanced the 2025 model through bulletproof engineering with its 1.5-litre turbocharged engine and optional hybrid powertrain for maximum fuel economy. As Honda continues to uphold its standards of quality, their latest CR-V model stands among the top-selling SUVs in its category. Driving the CR-V delivers a smooth experience while giving users excellent comfort in its cabin and a low-maintenance expense. According to Honda owner reports, CR-V vehicles successfully reach 200,000 mile points when properly maintained, so they function best for families and commuters. Honda upgraded their real-time AWD system in the new model to give its customers better performance under adverse road conditions. What makes it stand out? The CR-V from Honda runs with superior effectiveness thanks to Earthdreams technology, which also ensures a trustworthy and enduring powertrain operation. The 2025 model adds an upgraded all-wheel drive system with enhanced soundproofing technology and a brand new chassis system that enhances steering performance. Car owners appreciate the intuitive infotainment system, ample storage, and protective safety capabilities for which the SUV has earned recognition as an outstanding family vehicle. The CR-V achieves remarkable fuel economy stats because its hybrid model provides 40 miles to the gallon combined, which makes it a perfect solution for drivers looking to reduce fuel expenses. Honda achieves a great reputation in safety, with features such as lane departure warning, forward collision mitigation, and traffic sign recognition tools. The CR-V makes an excellent long-term financial investment since it provides one with many years of hassle-free use. But what if you want a bit more space and rugged capability? We present to you Number 3. 2025 Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback manages to excel in comfort and adventure because it was built for both. The 2025 Subaru Outback maintains its position as one of the most dependable SUV models thanks to symmetrical all-wheel drive technology that Subaru is famous for. The Outback, it gives drivers confident control along snowy paths and rocky trails, and it gives them a smooth ride experience. With its 2.5-liter Boxer engine 4-cylinder and an optional turbocharged 2.4-liter engine, the Outback maintains a strong reputation for longevity. Through its engineering methods, Subaru builds vehicles that survive in extreme weather and rough terrains without failure. The horizontal engine placement in Subaru automobiles results in an engine configuration that produces a lower center of gravity, which increases stability during road use. The Subaru Outback has a high-strength steel frame with a 9.5-inch elevated ground clearance to serve customers who explore outdoors. The EyeSight driver assist technology from Subaru creates enhanced security features, and the modern Starlink infotainment system provides modern connectivity options to users. Owner reports reveal that the Outback exhibits unmatched durability when properly maintained because it achieves more than 300,000 miles per gallon with regular service. The Subaru Outback provides exceptional fuel economy during extended journeys with a comfortable ride, and it has 75.6 cubic feet of sustainable cargo capacity. The Outback features roof rails built with integrated crossbars that let you easily transport bikes, kayaks, or cargo boxes when traveling longer distances. The interior materials used in this vehicle are built to last through exposure to outdoor gear, pet activity, and family usage. Our next SUV, though, might be the right one for you if you want something a bit more luxurious. Number 4. 2025 Lexus GX. The 2025 Lexus GX rises above previous luxury and reliability standards that Lexus is famous for. A platform of body-on-frame construction enables this GX to produce off-road agility with luxury and comfort. Many drivers report reaching past 300,000 miles through proper maintenance while using the GX luxury SUV model due to its well-known durability. The 2025 GX model runs on a strong 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 power unit connected to a 10-speed direct-shift automatic transmission. Lexus, it has a reputation for reliability, so the GX model is built to survive decades without requiring extensive maintenance interruptions. This vehicle contains updated dual-injection engine technology that optimizes both off-road capabilities and on-road ride quality. The latest upgrade includes luxurious premium leather with advanced infotainment technology and a 21-speaker Mark Levinson audio system, which creates an unmatched driving experience. The GX maintains its place as one of the safest SUVs by Lexus, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and pedestrian detection with other advanced driver assistance features. For those who want a premium driving experience without worrying about breakdowns, then GX is the perfect choice. If an all-rounder SUV is what you desire, then our final pick is what you need. Number 5. 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Toyota sets the standard for reliability, and the RAV4 hybrid vehicle is an excellent demonstration of this achievement. The 2025 model adds improvements to the hybrid system, which produces noteworthy power capacity with optimal fuel consumption performance. Evidence shows Toyota hybrid technology delivers long-lasting durability because numerous RAV4 hybrids run beyond 250,000 miles without requiring significant repairs. The Toyota Predictive Efficient Drive System tracks driving behavior to boost energy management effectiveness at the current moment. The 2025 edition upgrades the system by providing longer-lasting batteries with adaptive energy management and Toyota's newest safety feature set. The combined fuel economy rating surpasses 41 miles to the gallon, making this model rank among the most efficient SUVs on the market. The RAV4 Hybrid provides its passengers with interior space, with high-tech equipment such as a big touchscreen display, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced driver assist systems. Families and adventurers alike can find this model perfect because it offers spacious cargo areas and foldable seats. For those looking for a cutting-edge, fuel-efficient, and ultra-reliable SUV, the RAV4 Hybrid is hard to beat. There you have it, 5 of the most reliable SUVs of 2025. Whether you want off-road dominance, everyday practicality, luxury, or high-tech efficiency, these SUVs, they're built to last. But now we want to hear from you. Which SUV do you think deserves the top spot? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.